Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a Mercury bank account for non-US residents. First, go to mercury.com and click Open Account. Mercury automatically checks your location and eligibility based on your IP address. Next, enter your first name and last name. Then click Start Application. Next, enter your work email and password. Then click Next. After that, Mercury will let you know if their services are available in your country. If you're eligible, you'll be redirected to continue the application and answer a few more questions. If Mercury is not available in your country, unfortunately, you won't be able to open an account at this time. However, you can contact Mercury support through their website to ask about eligibility or future availability. So, eligibility depends on your country and business details, and Mercury will notify you during the sign up process. And that's it. That's how to check and apply for a Mercury bank account as a non-US resident. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.